Those get one of those propane torches. It'll work just the same. That one popped too. Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. Today we're working on the budget beater Chevelle. You guys picked the big block Chevy with the 3-speed automatic. So that's what we went with. Let's take a look at the motor. I know the motor don't look like much, but you got to remember we're putting it together as cheap as possible in the beginning to show you what you basically to show you the bang for your buck. This motor right here, we got $1,000 in it. It's a 454. It's got about 60,000 miles on it. It's been rebuilt, but 60,000 miles on it, so it's pretty much well new, fresh. It's got a little bit of a cam in it. It was in a dually tow vehicle, so hopefully them miles ain't been too rough on it. The 3-speed is just a junkyard 3-speed, and it's got a little bit of a stall converter in it. Today Pop's got the motor and tranny set down in it, and I worked on getting a seat in it, a shifter, got a fuel cell put in it and the battery put in it. So we're making some headway. So what you guys think? Think we'll be able to reach our goal with this setup, or we're gonna whiff? Tell us what you think in the comments below. You think we need to check Pops' coffee for PEDs? Looked like he got an awful lot done today for the few hours that he worked. We're looking pretty good. We believe we have pretty much the rest of the parts to go ahead and get it together. Our last little hang up is this header right here. It's rubbing on our steering a little bit. We thought about calling the chassis shop and spending $2,500 on a set of custom built headers, or we might just smack it with a hammer. You guys tell us what you would do. Thanks for watching.